Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hana. So today our group will be presenting for this assignment. We chose Brands Outlet. Uh, Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hana Yasmin. So today our group will be presenting for this assignment. For this project, we chose Brands Outlet as our organization in the retail industry. Brands Outlet is not only a fashion retailer, it is a place where one can find a new meaning of affordability and style. The store was founded to close the gap between premium clothing and affordable costs. It has grown to be a one-stop shop for students, families, and anyone seeking stylish, budget-friendly apparel. But there is in this okay, but there is a fundamental gap for the brands that are tailored for working women who are looking for the trends in clothes and accessories. It uses such challenges that Brands Outlet answers by catering for business women, students, mothers, or anyone that is an ordinary person. Branding is a branding is Branding it as a dynamic and multifunctional fashion point encourages its endless growth opportunities in targeting separate geriatric and social groups. A strong online presence is crucial for businesses to expand and stay competitive in today's technologically advanced world. Moreover, green consumers value investing in marketing strategies that enhance sustainable initiatives and boost the company image. A strong online presence also leads to higher sales by directing consumers through targeted advertisement to e-commerce sites or to the physical retailers in order to make a purchase. Furthermore, Furthermore, a sound strategy makes Brands Outlet an attractive shop in the saturated retail industry by targeting tech, proficient, and eco-friendly consumers. Next is digital presence strategies. There are 6 strategies. One of it is multimedia integration. Brands Outlet may include different multimedia forms such as images, videos, and infographics to ensure online presence and better interaction. The visual content will be helpful in engaging customers and communicating the brand message and creating an emotional connect with them. This will allow Brands Outlet to provide a more holistic and engaging experience for the customer. Second is influencer marketing. Brands Outlet can collaborate with bloggers, fashion influencers, which it has targeted their followers. It may allowing them to use Brands Outlet products by including influencers in marketing and asking them to promote ideals that relate to the brand. And the next one is audience engagement. Effective audience interaction is hugely based on the very fundamentals of the target market. The business should create content that speaks to the needs, interests, and goals of those viewing or reading. In such condition, one has to know at least enough about the market targeted to communicate with the audience effectively. The next one is search engine optimization (SEO) and online visibility. SEO would help make Brands Outlet visible to search engines once a customer is in search of a similar good or service. This includes optimizing keywords, producing excellent blog posts on current fashion trends, enhancing website load times, and making sure the site is responsive to mobile devices in order to serve these diverse customer bases. Okay, the other one, okay, on the other hand, customer relationship management, CRM. Customer relationship management tools develop long-term loyalty through content personalization. Brands Outlet can use CRM system for gathering information on customer preference and history of purchases, which can then be used to carry out more targeted marketing. As a basic example, offering clients exclusive deals and product recommendations based on their interests may greatly enhance their shopping experience and maintain their brand loyalty over time. And last but not least is collaborative campaign. Increasing visibility can be accomplished by partnerships that are complementary to an organization or brand. For instance, Brands Outlet could collaborate with brands dealing in similar lines of footwear and accessories to devise joint promotional campaigns, enabling consumers to buy a complete fashion package. Co-branded content across social media platforms can also be used to promote these joint efforts. Thank you.